G'day guys, welcome back to Couple of All Drivers. This week we catch up with the boys, go winter camping up in the hills, get up to some very wet fall driving, we attempt to go fishing and have some wicked camp cook-ups around the fire. So strap in and enjoy. G'day guys, welcome back. We are camping again, up in the dam spot. It's really wet. It actually rained the whole way. We were on the way up here. It was supposed to be not raining this weekend, but it's definitely rained a lot since we were up here last. The dam's actually full, so it's actually kind of nice. Cooking some sausages, getting the fire started because we're having the roast tonight. Might go for a drive in a little bit. We'll see how we go. Actually got my car out this time as well, so I'm swagging it. Imogen's coming tomorrow night, she's working, so also got the awning up. That doesn't happen very often, but just the Kins 270. So we're cooking sausages for some lunch and might as well jump into it. We forgot to record it, but we got a little roast going on in there. We'll pull it back out when we are ready for potatoes. Going down for a quick flick. This is where we actually usually drive in. Like this line here. Straight in, straight across there and over there. That's where we camp. So the water's very high. Actually, this time last year, someone actually drove across this and somehow made it through. There's a rope swing, which you've seen in other videos. You can stand right there. You're going for a quick flick, see if we can't get some redfin. No luck. I got stuck in a tree and lost the hook. Clinton got stuck on a root and lost his. And we only brought one each, so no luck there. Probably go for a drive and try to find some more wood. That's probably too hot, eh?
Nah, that's perfect.
Alright, we're gonna set up a King's rooftop tent. Minute setup.
Yeah. It's been on and off since lunchtime, and we've just pulled it off with the 2 forks, and it is looking mint. We're just about to stick it back on for a couple more minutes, and we'll dig into our rolls.
It's the next morning. We had a real late one. Camp's looking alright. Got the fire going, getting some more leaves to try to get the fire a bit more roaring because it is freezing cold. But looking nice. Getting the smoker ready. Putting firelighters in because we're lazy. Fire's cranking there now too.
So when you do a smoking in like a Weber, you set all your fire on this side, put your meat here, and the smoke blows out. That's how you do it.
Just lighting the briquettes and getting them hot enough.
We'll taste some chemicals to start with.
Num 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 num. It's flavour. Yeah, so we're just patting the brisket dry just to get rid of all that moisture because we're going to bind it with Dijon mustard. so that the seasoning actually sticks to it. And then so just for the binder, just Dijon. Now that the brisket's binded, we're just going to season it generously.
How mint does that look? Putting the hickory chunks on now. Coals are, they don't look warm, but they are very warm. The hickory chunks are on and the grill's going on now too. Smoking beautifully.
Here.
You're going to put the meat right there,
yep,
on the opposite side. We'll keep this seasoning for the chicken.
Yeah.
Fingerprint
Nice.
And that'll cook for the next probably 10 hours.
Yeah.
So we've got the fire on this side and the meat on this side, so that the smoke comes up and it goes through the meat and escapes out the vent holes. And that's pretty much the best way to do it.
Yep. Ready.
Again, covering some territory. Slight fumble by Martin. Andrew does really well. Whipped out by Rogers. High centering ball by Long.
More. Perfect. I'm just doing rolls. Tiger bread rolls, they're the best. Stacking it full of meat.
Yep.
Look at that, perfect.
Got to.
It started raining last night, like really bad. It was pouring down with rain. Everything's everywhere. We tried to clean it up, but there's stuff that we forgot. And there's just, everything's everywhere. Everywhere. And the fire even went out. We had a big fire going. Everything's half wet. We got this fire started again. But like, yeah, everyone's shoes are all wet, chairs are all wet. Wasn't fun. But it's another nice day at the moment. It doesn't look like it. It's probably going to rain later on. Boys making pancakes. And the mess is everywhere. It was so windy as well. We had everything like nicely on that little kitchen and it just went everywhere. Like it was howling through the gully. Put it over there. Oh, I'm in. So Rory's bought a little coffee machine. We've got a 1500 watt inverter. We're gonna have the car running as well, so that it doesn't just drain everything. It actually goes pretty hard. We've got a little battery monitor to monitor to make sure we're not using too much power, drawing too much power. All displays on your wattage on there. Slot the sucker in, press the button, and off we go. Oh, that was it. That's perfect. For you coffee lovers, I'm a Milo lover, so I don't need that.
So we got some for the Milo lovers.
Oh, and we got a frother. We've got a frother too. On there. Bit of milk in there. Warms it up. Perfect. So we'll do that with a Milo instead of the coffee machine. In the frother we got the milk and we got Milo. And just hooked up to the inverter on low froth. There we go. Look at that, mixing it for us. We'll do an actual video on the new Ranger when in a later episode. Oh, perfection. Oh, it's very hot. Look at that, perfect. Thank you. That'll finish our little trip. We're all packed up, all clean and done. Imogen's there now. Yeah, we're all packed up, just about to put the fire out and head off. We might go for a little bit of a drive and see how we go, but cheers for watching and see you in the next one. The big Ranger. Look at that tuck on it. Yeah, the Western Power U goes wicked. It's got stock suspension in it though, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Does it rock much?
Oh, it would.